Federal State Unitary Enterprise, Printing House Number 12, the largest manufacturer of fraud-proof printing products in the northwest of Russia. The printing house was founded by Emperor Peter the Great's order, written with his own hand. The first St. Petersburg printing house was given in charge of the Holy Synod, and on May 11, 1711, the northern capital saw the first printed product of the Synodal printing house. From 1895 to the present time, the printing house occupies specially built premises in the center of St. Petersburg. Today, Printing House Number 12 has a strong professional base, and it's in the lead of the printing industry, specializing in development and production of sophisticated printed products requiring high-scale fraud-proofness. The products include shares, bonds, certificates, securities, documentary stamps, fuels and lubricant slips, lottery tickets. There are also numbered tickets for all kinds of transport and blank sheets printed on bill paper. The number of products totals to 600. Printing House Number 12 has all licenses necessary for this kind of activity. The license issued by the Russian Federation Ministry of Finance for the right to produce blank sheets of inscribed stock and semi-finished items for their manufacturing. The license issued by the State Technical Commission of the President of the Russian Federation for development of information guarding tools. The license for manufacturing of fraud-proof printing products, including the blank sheets for securities. High quality of the products has been provided and confirmed by the Certificate of Compliance of the Quality Management System with ISO 9001-2000. Printing House Number 12 is the only St. Petersburg printing company certified for compliance with this international standard. The company covers all stages of manufacturing and guarding of printing products. Development of an original design, development of a makeup page, printing, guarding, stock-taking and control over the documents at all stages of manufacturing. Issue of high-quality products, having the call ensures successful economic development of the enterprise and gives resources for purchase of the latest equipment and application of the most advanced technologies in printed product guarding. A new kind of production recently commercialized by Printing House Number 12 is lottery tickets, including those for drawing and instantaneous lottery. The most saleable lottery tickets are those of instantaneous lottery with an erasable coating. The enterprises able to make such products are very few. Not only does manufacture of instantaneous lottery tickets need the license issued by the Ministry of Finance for the right to manufacture fraud-proof printing products, but it also needs special equipment and application of unique technologies. Instantaneous lottery tickets can only be manufactured on bill paper secured in compliance with the requirements of the Ministry of Finance. The technological process of manufacture of instantaneous lottery involves different printing methods: offset, screen, flexography, magnetographics, vanishing, relief printing method. Variable information is depicted on lottery tickets by a magnetographic press made by the French firm Nipson. Inkjet printing is made by unique Australian Mikoch printer with 24 printing heads. The erasable codes or scratch panels are printed by a screening method with the equipment of the Dutch firm Stork. The back of the instantaneous lottery tickets also bears some fraud-proof guarding elements. There is a background grid of Guilloche elements forming iris distribution. The tickets are numbered with the relief printing method. Lottery tickets are manufactured with special protection inks seen in ultraviolet radiation. Manufacture of such complicated products, having the call with customers, has become possible thanks to the printing complex, whose capabilities have no analogues in Russia. The complex includes the printing machine BC650 by the Italian firm Castagnoli Form Consulta. The machine consists of 16 units, including 5 offset units, a silk screen group, a vanishing group, a dry offset group, a flexographic printing group, 2 carbon laying groups, a running and cross perforation group, 2 numeration groups, a printer group, punching units, and delivery to the sheet, fold and roll. The collating machine by the German firm Beolamatic allows collating up to 11 printed layers. Its hot gluing system, Nordstone, is combination with siliconized paper, ensures running and cross-gluing, numbering output to zigzag or finished trimmed blank sheets. This equipment allows manufacturing air tickets, accompanying documents and all the necessary production for air carriage, including luggage labels of self-adhesive thermal paper. Production of the printing house for air carriage meets the international standard of IATA. Railway and air tickets are one of the main kinds of production of the printing house. Российские железные дороги, dozens of domestic and foreign airlines, urban passenger carriers of many Russian cities are regular customers with printing house number 12. Travel and traffic documents are manufactured with guarding elements such as latent images, special Giloshe ornaments, graphic images, microtext, original hologram image, hot stamping, special numbering heads of various types are applied. The tickets are manufactured as slips stuck together with a special glue, one ticket being made up of up to 11 layers. The first layer is made of ornamented fraud-proof paper, subsequent layers being made of self-copying paper with a microcapsular structure. Air tickets are manufactured by hot carbon laying, which forms an additional guarding element. Carbon ink is applied on the back of the blank sheet and functions as carbon paper, providing up to 15 stable copies. The carbon layer can contain proprietary symbols and other additional information necessary for the customer. Traditionally, the printing house manufactures securities. Securities guarding elements are applied as early as at the stage of design, which is developed by the artists of the enterprise. Each blank sheet is designed individually. Fraud-proofness of the blank sheets exceeds the standards of the Russian legislation, and the number of technologies applied to provide it are unique. Guarding elements applied at the stage of design, Giloshe and Giloshe elements. Special defects, microtext, iris distribution, latent and superimposing images, check code and barcode, hot stamping, copy protection, direct and inverse numbering of various types and faces, magnetic ink, anti-Stokes ink as well as protection ink, which can only be used by a license of the Ministry of Finance, over-laminating of the magnetic tape and positioning of hologram images for different kinds of products. All in all, Printing House number 12 provides more than 20 protection rates. Over-laminating of hologram images with application of sheet and roll technologies involves automatic stop-cylinder printing press Crystal, hot stamping rotary Reflection by the English company of Total Register, as well as innovation system of Greenspan, a hot stamping rotary press. This system allows reliable fraud-proofness of tickets, trade labels and even banknotes. It works efficiently with exclusive accuracy of positioning due to application of optical marks on holographic foil and the carrier. The system allows over-laminating of any number of magnetic tapes and hologram images of all available forms and sizes on previously printed paper. Equipment made by the Japanese firm Fuji Color allows applying progressive technology, computer-to-plate, to output high-precision printing plates for secured printing products of the highest quality. This equipment ensures intensification of production of offset plates. Resolving capacity of particular options goes up to 3.657 dots per inch. It ensures high accuracy of manufacturing of printing plates as against traditional methods and, as a result, multiple increase in printing quality. Offset flatbed machines for fraud-proof printing products, securities, blank sheets, fuels and lubricant slips, as well as printing of various advertising production, leaflets, booklets. Printing capabilities of the enterprise are expanded by new additional equipment. Baum 2020. A folder allows making 8 folds of a printed blanket, punching, cutting and scoring in various combinations. The folder is also involved in collating and bookletting. Burgbinder 3001. A thermal gluing machine roughens blocks with subsequent gluing of the book back and soft binding. This technology is very practical for bookletting and soft binding. Printing House No. 12 delivers its production throughout Russia and the CIS countries. The printing house meets requirements of the most particular customers. We provide the necessary number of copies within the terms specified. Printing House No. 12 is the recognized leader in fraud-proof printing production. Our assets include untarnished reputation, wide experience, professional traditions, qualified staff, modern equipment, unique technologies. Printing House No. 12. All roads lead to us.